Hello everyone. Today's tech news is: Number 1. Meta is shutting down one of its biggest VR games, but only for Quest 1 owners. Number 2. You can play through Far Cry 6 for free this weekend. Number 3. Intel denies Meteor Lake is delayed to 2024. Says consumer chips will launch in 2023. Number 4. California DMV accuses Tesla of making false claims about Autopilot and Full-Self Driving. Number 5. Leaked video shows DJI's rumored cinewhoop FPV drone in action. Number 6. 99% of Netflix subscribers haven't tried its games yet. Number 7. The M1 MacBook Air is discounted to its lowest price yet at Best Buy. Number 8. Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2 beta arrives next month, and here's when you can play. Number 9. Instagram will soon test ultra-tall photos to match its full-screen reels. Number 10. U.S. Treasury bans Tornado Cash Mixer for role in crypto money laundering. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.